it's kind of chilly.
Okay.
Say hi, Hudson, to the camera. It's a video, so say hi.
Hi.
Is this the first snow of the year? Harpy. Snow? You eating it? Snow?
I didn't.
Harp, you're getting snow down your neck.
Okay.
Yeah, you're outside.
Mommy.
Whoa, you're okay. Harper. Hi. Don't go by the stairs.
Huh?
Did you wake your snowman?
No, not yet. It's not ready yet. Whoa. I woke him up.
Okay, good. It's really snowing now.
Yeah. Christmas.
All the Christmas snow. Does that mean Christmas is coming soon?
It is Christmas.
No, not yet. It's still October, but Christmas is coming.
Mom.
Say bye.
Bye.
You eating them? Well, you go. It's snowing, Harper.